Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have WordPress and a backup. Now install Generatepress and get moving. First, upload and activate the theme, then immediately activate a child theme if you need safe edits. Once done, install GP Premium and enable the core modules you'll use, container, colors, typography, because they let you control layout and branding without code. Make sure to set a static homepage if you prefer, and save a revision. This prevents accidental layout resets as you continue. Now you'll shape the site visually and structurally. Start in Customize right arrow layout to set global container width, content width, and sidebar positions. This ensures consistency across devices. Next, adjust colors and typography. Pick a base font size and heading scale so your hierarchy reads clearly. Once that's stable, use elements to add a custom header bar or footer widgets, and apply per page layout overrides where a landing page needs unique spacing rather than site-wide rules. Finish by optimizing and testing. Enable Generatepress performance settings and preload critical CSS. This reduces CLS and speeds loading. Choose whether to build with the block editor or your page builder, then assign templates using page attributes or elements hooks for precise placement. If something breaks, enable WP Debug, disable plugins one by one to find conflicts, and check Browser Console for errors. If recovery is necessary, restore your backup. Keep a snapshot before major changes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.